Here is the quick overview of what we are offering in our truck dispatching course. We'll cover the essentials to get you started in this dynamic field. Truck dispatching is the backbone of efficient logistics. Dispatchers coordinate the movement of goods, ensuring timely deliveries while optimizing routes and resources. As a dispatcher, your responsibilities include planning routes, communicating with drivers, and monitoring shipments to ensure everything runs smoothly. Effective dispatching boosts on-time delivery rates and improves fuel efficiency, crucial for customer satisfaction and cost management. Utilize advanced tools and technology like GPS tracking and dispatch software to streamline operations and enhance decision-making. Maintain safety standards and comply with regulations such as DOT rules to ensure the well-being of drivers and legal compliance. Explore diverse career paths and opportunities for growth in the truck dispatching industry through continuous learning and skill development. Ready to embark on your journey in truck dispatching? Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips to excel in this rewarding profession. Visit our website for more information and enroll today to start your career in truck dispatching.